Okay, I'm going to try to mount this in a slightly different way. Hopefully it'll be less jiggly. And here's some video of my Baja SC50, because I noticed online there aren't a lot of videos about the SC50. Anyways, here's a quick peek. Well, let's get going. Hi. Well, I'm changing the oil on my Baja Motorsports SC50, a beautiful little bike that I bought used, only a few months old. And I haven't changed oil because I haven't ridden motorcycles in, wow, over 20 years. But anyways, I should have started taking video earlier, but what I did, here, let me get down on the ground. There's the oil fill hole. 1 second. Here are the parts that came out, and here in a 4-liter container, well, it was a 4-liter container of milk. Of course, the milk was emptied out. I used the milk. Anyways, this is the bottom half, and it worked beautifully to catch the old oil. But there's very little in there. It's supposed to take like a quart or about a liter. So, and when I checked the level, there wasn't, it didn't seem there was like there was quite enough. So anyways, no problem, and the bike was working beautifully. There weren't any, 1 second. There weren't any shavings or anything in the filter, so that's good. So I'll just give it a kick, let, you know, with the kickstart, let a little bit more oil drain out, and then I'll change the, put new oil in. Okay, I hope this catches this on video, but if not, you'll never hear this section. I'm going to turn it over with the Kickstarter, and just, that helps, as I saw on the videos, actually that helps a lot more oil drain out, and I didn't realize that when I used to drive motorcycles, but apparently it does. Anyways, we'll give that a try. I'll just put down the microphone. If it makes a big sound, you'll know that I just put it down. Anyways, let's try this and see if we can squeeze a bit more oil out of there. Okay, I'm just going to put my microphone on the floor here, so hopefully it'll catch my voice. Now, what I'm going to do, because I'm holding the camera with my left hand, wait a second, I'm going to put going to put everything back in. Okay, this doesn't want to seem to work. Let's just fit this without. Alright. Okay. I got it! Ha ha ha! Unbelievable. Now, tighten that up. There. Let's just make sure it's not too tight, but tight enough. There. Oh, beautiful. Well, now all that's left is the cleanup and the filling of new oil. I'll just put my microphone in my right hand. There. Clean the floor a bit. There. Now, take out the filler with a dipstick. Put that in there. Scruffy, hush! My funnel. Now, I'll get my oil and put a quart in there. I will be using just a very generic Castrol 4-cycle motorcycle oil, 10W40, very basic, and well, we'll see how it goes. Well, oil is changed. The engine oil, not the oil for the variator. I'll tackle that another day. But now the SC50 is supposed to take a quart of oil. This only took like 3/4. But anyways, it says it's full, and I took it around the block. It definitely says it's full. And I guarantee when I get the shaky camera thing fixed, there will be more videos. Let's go around and look at the other side. It is just so lovely. Here, let's go and see. Oh, my coffee and my lunch. Thank heaven for 7-Eleven. I also bought a 12-volt accessory plug that I could put in there, so I could, power things like my tire pump if I need it. But most importantly, to put a solar cell onto. And here it is, my solar cell. And I will top up the battery when I can. Anyways, I'm running out of power, so I'd better go inside and plug this beastie in. See you later, and I do promise more videos, because there aren't a lot of videos on the Baja Motorsports SC50. I will remedy that. Have a happy day. Let's just have one more look at the bike. And there she be. Owned by me. He, don't you see?